Hi everyone, I'm Anna Peters, Zambia art team member, here to share with you how the 2-in-1 Marcel iron and wand from Zambia and the Artist Series finishing brush can give you this beautiful holiday style that can easily be created from a day in the office to a night out. Brushing through the hair with the Artist Series paddle brush to get through that long hair, and then isolating this front section with a diagonal back. We're going to pull the rest of the hair back into a smooth, low ponytail. I love the boar bristles in this brush. It really creates so much polish and shine to create the smoothest ponytails. We're now going to attach the elastic to our thumb and wrap around tight to the base of that ponytail, looping it through and pulling that elastic back around the ponytail. That's going to give you a nice bump-free way to secure it. Taking diagonal backs through that front side section, we're going to easily be able to move the hair back to that bun once we create these waves. I'm working with the color treated setting in the amber color on the iron, elevating the hair down towards the face and moving the curls away from the face. Pulling through those ends to smooth them out. Taking another diagonal back section. Combing through each section is going to help you get cleaner waves, removing any tangles in the hair. Placing the iron diagonally with low elevation and moving the curls away from the face. We drop out the tip to continue down the long hair strands. All of these waves are going to be moving in the same direction so that we could get one uniform wave pattern when we brush through. Continuing to comb through each section, same elevation, dropping down towards the eyes and moving the curl pattern away from the face. Dropping that tip out, moving down the hair strands, dropping the tip out, and then finishing to smooth the ends. Another feature I love about this iron is that it automatically shuts off after 60 minutes of not being used. That is such a time saver when you don't need to rush back home or back to the salon because you can't remember if you've turned off your iron. So much peace of mind I have with this iron, as well as these beautiful waves that we can easily create. So here's our last section. We're going to continue same exact pattern, dropping that elevation down and working the curls back away from the face. Now that we have all those curls, we're going to hide the elastic with these two U-shaped pins, taking a section of hair, sliding one U-shaped pin underneath, wrapping that hair around the pin. Now taking the second pin with the legs up, putting the ends of the hair through that first pin's loop. Now pulling the ends down underneath that elastic is going to easily secure them and hide them. No bobby pins needed. Let's get this hair up now. We're moving it up and placing our pins straight into the scalp and then moving them horizontally or vertically to meet our anchor. This is a great way to hide your pins if that's something that you're needing help with. Remember, straight towards the scalp and then diagonal, horizontal, or vertically towards the anchor. Let's brush through these waves with the Artist Series finishing brush. It's a great way to create very smooth, polished waves. A little hairspray and then brushing over that to join all those hairs together into that wave pattern. Sometimes it takes a few times of brushing through to get that wave pattern to really set. So don't give up. Keep brushing until you see the pattern form and what your eye is liking. Taking this section of hair and smoothing it, we're going to do a little back combing to secure this wave pattern and give it a little bit more volume. Moving that and draping it gently across the top of the bun. We're going to secure and just weave in a hairpin so that we don't disrupt the volume, but we can secure it flat against the head. Taking the bobby pins and going through the bun into the hair that we're draping across, keeping in mind how we want that wave pattern to sit along the outside of that bun. This is where your creativity can come into play, and if the client has layers or a fringe, it's going to vary. If you want a more relaxed look, you can leave hair falling out. If you want something a little bit more polished, you could tuck the ends in and around that bun. Smoothing this front section out with a little bit of a tease at the base to give us a little lift and volume, as well as through the ends. Just fluffing and giving a little volume to that wave pattern and security as we smooth over. And then just start to place with your hands how you want that wave to sit on their face. So if she had a longer fringe, you can leave some hanging out there, or you could tuck them back. Now just placing this curl pattern gently and draping it, not pulling it too much because we want to keep the wave pattern intact, but just gently placing it and pinning where we want to see that go. Here we're going underneath our bun and then wrapping around. This is such an easy way to give your clients coming straight from the office an easy style to wear out for a special event, whether it's a holiday party or just a girls' night out. You can customize this based on their hair and their personality, but it's a really quick, easy way to elevate their style. Dress it up with a few pearls or flowers for a wedding, and whether it's a bride or a bridesmaid or just a fun night out style, it's so easy to accessorize it and elevate it. From the office to the night out, I'm Anna Peters, Zambia Art Team member, and I hope you enjoyed this style.